everybody, it's Irene from the Penetanguishene Public Library. So yesterday, August the 14th, was World Lizard Day. This day encourages us to show our appreciation for lizards and to learn more about them. Lizards are considered a reptile. They have scaly skin, long bodies and tails, 4 legs, and movable eyelids. There are 6,000 species of lizards, and many of them are endangered. They range from 2 inches to over 11 feet. They are found on every continent except Antarctica. Most lizards absorb water from their food, so they don't need to be near water. They are cold-blooded, so they need sunshine to survive. Some have a lifespan of 50 years. Their tails regenerate, which means it grows another tail or another one if it breaks off. Some lizards change color, and most lizards can swim. Lizards have different defensive mechanisms. Some can run really fast, some can make themselves appear larger in size, and some have venom. The venom of the Komodo dragon, which is found in Indonesia, is so strong it can kill a human being. The Komodo dragon is the most dangerous lizard in the world. The Gila monster is the only venomous lizard native to the United States. Some lizards are kept as pets, like the gecko, the green iguana, the African fire skink, the Chinese water dragon, and the bearded dragon. Lizards keep the insect population down. So the first proto-reptiles evolved 312 million years ago. So, remind you of anything? Lizards and dinosaurs diverged from one another. They both possess plates and scales on their skin. Dinosaurs are reptiles, and all dinosaurs were reptiles. The word dinosaur means terrible lizard. So to acknowledge World Lizard Day, obviously we have material here at the library that does circulate. Enjoy. Thank you so much for listening. Bye-bye.